Introducing the Water Absorbency Tester, a precision instrument designed to measure how effectively materials absorb and retain water, ensuring product quality, performance, and reliability across a wide range of industries. In applications where moisture behavior matters most, from textiles, nonwovens, and hygiene products to tissues, medical fabrics, and paper materials, understanding absorbency is essential. This advanced tester accurately evaluates parameters such as water uptake rate, total absorbency capacity, and absorption time, helping manufacturers develop products that deliver consistent comfort and functionality. Complies with major international standards. Contact us today to learn more about the Water Absorbency Tester and explore the right solution for your testing needs.